Hey folks, Jonah with BayWa's Homebuilder program here. One of the most common questions we get asked here is how big of a solar system am I going to need to install on my new construction project in California? Well, there's two schools of thought on it. One is to comply with the state regulations. The state asks us to follow a certain calculation, determine the square footage of the home, the climate zone, and the number of dwelling units under the roof. With those three bits of information, we can tell how big the system needs to be to comply with Title 24. Now, when I was a solar contractor for many years in California, we didn't install 3 or 4 kilowatt systems. We installed typically 5, 6, 7, 10 kilowatt systems. Yes, indeed, the older homes in California are more inefficient than the new homes, but I believe people moving into new homes are going to be underwhelmed with the amount of power and energy that the systems produce over time. What we highly encourage home builders to do is work closely with their homeowners to determine the right size of the solar system. It's probably going to be bigger than the state mandates, but it may not be as big as we used to do 10 years ago in California. Ask the customer, are you getting an electric vehicle? Are you going to add a swimming pool? If so, let's talk about getting a bigger system. Maybe add a kilowatt or two, maybe add a battery system so you can preserve your energy for nighttime use and save extra money. And work closely with the homeowner to determine the right size system with the right components, not just comply with the state mandate, which is useful, but I believe is a starting point, not a final destination. So I hope that was helpful. Please feel free to reach out via email and I'll be happy to answer any other questions you have.